Juba Primary School number 7.
And number 8 is Oguti Primary School.
Oguti is number 8. They are going to run jumping over, off, up to the end. That is what we call 50-meter hurdle.
And you are not supposed to knock those hurdles.
You are not allowed.
So they should remain. If you knock them,
it should remain standing. And people at the side, just allow the hurdle stand. Thank you very much.
Officials are set. Please be alert.
Tororo College.
Away. If you are not a participant, go away from there.
Please keep away.
Only those who are going to run. By school. Morkatipe view number 2. Gardenia number 3.
Industrial view number 4.
Industrial view number 4.
Aguru Primary School number 5.
Number 5 is Agururu.
St. Kizito's Primary School is number 6.
Number 6 is St. Kizito.
Number 7 is Mudakori.
Mudakori is number 7.
And Rockview is number 8.
Number 8 is Rockview. 7 Mudakori. Boys, the girls. Morkatipe view. You don't have a participant here. Morkatipe view. Morkatipe view. You don't have a boy here. Morkatipe view. Vision number 2.
Lane 2, lane 3.
Chemwenula is 3.
Starlight, lane 4.
Starlight is 4.
Aturukuku, lane 5.
Line 5 is Aturukuku.
Victoria Junior School, lane 6.
Victoria, line 6.
St. Jude, lane 7.
Line 7 is St. Jude.
Toropolis, lane 8.
Toropolis is line 8. The children are set at the side.
As if rules are changing. You knock the hurdle, you reduce your chances. You knock, the more hurdles you knock, the more disadvantage you bring to yourself.
Madam Stella Rockoview, you are wanted for scissor jump.
That's police.
Police, askari.
The police officer.
Afande. He took off before the instruction. Disorganizing the rest. And that is the last warning. Afande, sikia.
So that, you don't want malpractice here. This is Uganda. People are very smart.
Distance, please. Be a distance from the participants. You can end up pulling them behind. This is the last group. Line 2.
Tororo College Primary School, lane 3.
Tororo College, line 3.
Starlight, lane 4.
Line 4 is Starlight.
Amagoro, lane 5.
Line 5 is Amagoro.
Lane 6 is St. Kizito's.
St. Kizito, line 6.
Chaminula is lane 7. They are the same.
Chamainula, line 7.
The last hurdle has no participant.
This is the last group of the second last group of the boys. Relax.
The officers are not getting you.
We are not getting you, sir. Higher. Higher. Okay. Line 1 is Vision, line 1.
Tororo Police.
Tororo Police, line 2.
Tororo College, lane 3.
Tororo College, line 3. Starlight, line 4.
Amagoro, lane 5.
Line 5, Amagoro.
St. Kizito's, lane 6.
St. Kizito, line 6.
Chaminula, lane 7.
Line 7 is Chamainula.
And there are only 7 coming.
There are only 7.
Starlight is really a star.
They are showing, that is spreading the wings.
They are really stars.
They are spreading.
See, Teacher Dan is just relaxed.
He's just smiling from the heart.
Chilling around, eh?
Seriously, very happy.
That's good.
But Gardenia is smiling more than.
Yeah, so far.
Even